A townhouse and villa community going to launch by a developer who understands premium luxury and who chooses location very strategically. H&H is coming up with a new townhouse and villa community between the Royal Palace and Bentley Villas in Nadar Shibah, 15 minutes to downtown Dubai and DIFC, yet a community which is family-driven, quieter, greener. H&H has previously developed Bakarat Residences, Four Seasons Private Residences, Eden Hills Villa Community, Eden House. Their new launch in Nadar Shibah is going to have townhouses starting with a built-up area of 4,088 square foot for a 5 million townhouse, 3-meter ceiling height for a 50-50 payment plan. Price per square foot comes to about 1,223 AED. This is the lowest price per square foot in MBR city, which has an average price per square foot of 2,442 dirhams. Now let's consider a realistic case in which we are expecting the price per square foot of this project to reach the average in MBR city, which is 2,400, or let's consider an amount even lower than that, maybe 2,200 dirhams. Considering the 50-50 payment plan, you're only paying 2.5 million dirhams spread across 4 years. The projected price at handover will be around 9 million, and the ROE will be 160% if you plan to sell it as you have only paid 50% as per the payment plan, or it will be 80% if you intend to keep it. Market demand for a 4,000 square foot build-up townhouse is currently undelivered, and if it comes from a developer like H&H with their signature luxury interior designs, you know it's something valuable. Get in touch to get access to priority units.